Now, people buy when they laugh or are in a good mood or are just plain entertained. But trying to stand out and entertain on the big social networks is, well, it's challenging to get people to pay attention, since Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn all seem to have specific audiences and purposes. There's a new network available called TikTok, and if you haven't found traction elsewhere, this network has special effects to help you reach your audience, even if you don't have one yet. And all you have to do is get started with this unique and super popular app TikTok. Now we're ready to walk you through exactly how to get started on TikTok with a step-by-step over-the-shoulder instructional on-screen tutorial video course, so that in 20 no-fluff videos and in 45 minutes tops, we're going to have you ready to use the platform without lots of wasted time and extras, keeping you from the most important task you already have. Here's what will be covered: setting up your account, recording your video and adding sound, adding effects and connecting with others, doing reaction style videos, and much, much more. Everything needed to get started using the TikTok platform, without the fluff. Now to get started is simple. Hit the Buy Now button, and in less than an hour, you'll be engaging on TikTok. So get started today. Hit the Buy Now button.